Learning with Fun World. Hello kids, welcome to our fun learning world. Today, we are going to learn about different shapes. I am a triangle. I have 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 sides and 3 corners too. 1, 2, 3. My 3 sides and 3 corners make me a triangle. You can find me anywhere around you. For example, you can eat me as a watermelon slice. You can eat me as a sandwich. You can enjoy me as an ice cream. You can eat me as a pizza slice. All these objects can be seen in the shape of a triangle. Hello, I am a square. I have 4 equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 equal sides and 4 corners too. 1, 2, 3, 4. My 4 sides and 4 corners make me a square. You can find me anywhere around you. For example, you can eat me as a bread. You can wrap me as a gift box. You can play on me as a carom board. You can eat me as a chocolate. All these objects can be seen in the shape of square. Hello, I am a rectangle. I have 4 sides. My opposite sides are equal. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 sides and 4 corners too. 1, 2, 3, 4. My opposite equal sides and 4 corners make me a rectangle. You can find me anywhere around you. For example, you can write on me as an notebook. You can open me as a door. You can watch me as a television. You can use me as a pencil box. All these objects can be found in the shape of rectangle. Hello, I am a circle. I am round in shape, and I'm made up of only one curved line. I have no sides and no corners. You can find me anywhere around you. For example, you can eat me as a donut. You can eat me as a burger. You can wear me as a bracelet. You can play with me as a football. All these objects can be seen in the shape of a circle. Hi, I am a oval. I have no sides and no corners. I'm made up of one curved line. You can find me in many things around you. For example, you can eat me as an egg. You can use me as a mirror. You can bellow me as a balloon. You can play with me as an American football. All these objects can be seen in the shape of an oval. Hi, I am a star. Let's count my sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I am a shape with 10 sides and 5 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 10 sides and 5 corners. You can see me in many things around you. For example, you can see me as a starfish. You can use me as a star balloon. You can see me in a magic band. You can see me as a star stickers. All these objects can be seen in the shape of a star. am a diamond. I have 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have made up of 4 sides and 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. My 4 sides and 4 corners make me a diamond. You can find me in many objects around you. For example, you can see me as a signboard. You can fly me as a kite. You can wear me as a earring. All these objects can be seen in the shape of diamond. Hi, I am a semicircle. I am half of a circle. I'm made up of 1 curved line and 1 straight line. I have tail corners. 1, 2. You can find me in many things around you. For example, you can eat me as an watermelon slice. You can use me as an umbrella. And you can view me as a rainbow. All these things can be seen in the shape of semicircle. Now let's revise the shapes names: square, triangle, circle, star, diamond, semicircle, rectangle, oval. Let's say it again: square, triangle, circle, star, diamond, semicircle, rectangle, oval. Wow! You did an amazing job learning all the shapes today. Remember, shapes are all around us. Keep looking and keep learning. See you in the next fun learning video. Bye bye, kids. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.